Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we're going to show you a pro assignment of our LSA VGL 0W01. Let's go ahead, open our book. For the first step, you require parts C and D, the boards, 8 parts number 17, the screws. The item does come with a Phillips screwdriver, but you can use your power tool. Let's assemble. For our next step, you require previous assemblies, 2 parts B, the boards, 4 parts 2, the wooden dials, and 8 parts number 17, the lockers. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 1 part A, 2 parts C's, 4 parts 17, the screws, and 4 parts 17, the lockers. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part F, part E, the backboard, 2 parts 2, the wooden dials, 4 parts 3, the screws. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 4 parts 17, the screws, and 1 part 103, the magnet that comes with the screws. Let's assemble. When assembling, make sure the magnet is facing outside. For the next step, you require 1 part I, 1 part H, and lastly, part K. And you require 4 part number 2, the wooden dowels, 4 part 3, the screws, and 4 parts 93, the feet. Let's assemble. When assembling, make sure all these grooves align. For the next step, you require part J, 4 parts 2, the wooden dowels, and 4 parts 17, and balance. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 12 parts 32. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 1 part L, parts 15 and 16, parts 24, and lastly diagonal, which is part 14. Let's assemble. Start with part 24. For the next step, you require 2 part Gs, 8 parts 13, the standoffs, part 72, the stickers. Let's assemble. You'll see that they are adjustable. We're just going to put them into the middle rows. For the next step, you require part 30. For part 30, this is the anti-tipping. Please support our manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you for watching the process segment of our LSA VGL0W01. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our process segments, more of our products. Thank you.